Nestled at the crossroads of Cupertino and Los Altos in the calm and quiet Sunnyvale neighborhood, my new listing brings you the best of all three cities. You're just a short walk to top-rated Cupertino schools and everyday convenience of Homestead Crossing Shopping Center, surrounded by major tech companies and with easy access to Highway 280 and 85. Commuting is a breeze. Ready to take a look inside? Follow me. Hi, welcome home. The oak wood flooring brings you into this beautiful living room featuring plush carpeting, a cozy fireplace, and the tons of natural light coming through the dual-pane windows. Sliding past the dining area, we have a spacious kitchen with tile countertops, stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space, pantry, and a breakfast bar, which sits next to the family room. Down the hall, discover 3 spacious bedrooms, each with their own closets as well as 2 full bathrooms. The primary bedroom includes dual closets and an ensuite bathroom with stone shower. Outside, we have a beautiful landscaping backyard with a relaxing swimming pool, deck, storage shed, and a built-in barbecue. That brings my tour to an end. I'm your neighborhood realtor, RENNA, and if you have any questions, feel free to call me at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I hope to see you this weekend. Bye now.